Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Z Reviews Tech. I'm here to bring you a quick unboxing and review of the Mobvoi earbuds Gesture. These are true wireless earbuds. There's a ton of them, I know. These are from Mobvoi. And right now, their claim to fame is that it basically has head recognition where you can nod or shake your head to accept calls. So we'll see how well that works, as well as whether it's a good overall earbud for you to buy. So we'll start with a quick unboxing. So that's the box. We'll open that. And as you can see here, we have stickers. We have a user guide as well as, excuse me, a manual. Now here we have the actual earbuds, two of them, as well as the case, which shouldn't have anything in them. And finally, the cable in here. So we'll just open this and see what we have in here. There we go. So now we have the USB-C cable as well as a couple of extra tips. Okay, so let's put all this aside and talk about the actual earbuds themselves. Okay, so the case here from Mobvoi is a plastic case. The top is ridged, and the bottom is smooth. It's all plastic. As you can see, it's a pretty plain case. It's really nothing here. Here we have the Mobvoi logo. I'm just going to open it and close it. And I don't know if you can see it, but there should be two green LEDs that light up to tell you if the case is charged. There we go, right there. I was hoping for more LEDs here, maybe like at least 4 or 3 to tell you if it's 25, 50, 75, 100% charged. But now you only have green or red, and it just basically tells you if it's good or bad, which I was hoping for more, but hey, what can you say? At the bottom we've got the regular text. It tells you the charging voltages, various CE marks, and as well as the app that you can download to control the head gestures with. We'll talk about that later. Open it up, we have the earbuds. Now, take them out. The earbuds are a little bit difficult to take out, but they actually fit fairly well into the case. So when you put it in, they just snap in place and they immediately start charging. Now, I'm gonna take it out. Let's talk about the earbud themselves. Now, I'm very happy that the charging pins are on the bottom of the earbud, because I've had earbuds that don't have this bottom thing. So it's just the earbud itself, and the charging pins were somewhere around here. And as you use them, the charging pins would come into contact with your skin, and as a result, they would start getting corroded, and they started getting harder and harder to charge. These were my Syllable Minis. I'll link a description up, a video up above. But yeah, so these are down here, so the much less chance for them to contact your skin, and so they should stay pristine for a lot longer. Okay, so now we have left and right, and yeah, the earbuds themselves are fairly comfortable. I won't say they're super comfortable, because most earbuds, especially in-ear earbuds, are slightly less comfortable than the ones that hang out in your ears, like the very, very old iPod headphones. But I wore these for approximately 4 hours before my ears started getting really sore. And this was about 2 hours of just sitting at my desk, and then 2 hours of actually going biking. So that's actually not that bad. 4 hours before my ears started getting sore, and then I readjusted them a little bit and the soreness went away. So in terms of comfort, these are fairly well molded. You might have to change the tips out for the other ones that Mobvoi gives you, but all in all, it's pretty decent. Now I'll talk about 2 more things here. The first one is going to be the battery life. And the battery life here, Mobvoi claims that you can get 10 hours out of these headphones, as well as an extra like 40 hours out of the case. The case is true, so this can charge your headphone up like 4 or 5 times, so not a problem there. The 10-hour claim is a little bit high. I would say that I got like 8 hours. So 8 hours is still amazing and more than enough for me. I love it. So yeah, if you're looking for ones with good battery life, there's actually quite a few, obviously, that give you like 8 to 10 hour battery life, but a lot of the cheaper ones on like AliExpress or eBay or Amazon, they give you like 4 to 5 hours or even less. And that is what I don't like. I like ones with really long battery life where you can wear throughout the whole day. And so these are gonna be it. Now, I listen to music slash TV shows at about 50% 50% volume, and these got me through about 8 hours. And then I took these biking as well, and I pumped these up to probably 100% because of how difficult it was to hear when you're biking really fast. And these lasted, I think, 7 hours, so that's actually not bad at all. So 7 hours maximum volume, and I got 8 hours at 50% volume, so not bad. Let's think about other things. Oh yes, the fit. Now, I was a bit concerned these would fall out because they don't have that little rubber thing that comes out to, you know, make sure it stays secure in your ear. But they stayed pretty secure. Like, I biked for about an hour, and my max speed was like 55 kilometers an hour. So hitting bumps at that speed is pretty jarring, and these did not fall out at all. They stayed pretty secure in my ear, and I did obviously have to, you know, push them into my ear from time to time. I think I did it maybe 10 times over my bike ride of 60 minutes. So, you know, once every 5 minutes, I just, you know, put my hand up and just, you know, push it into my ear a little bit to make it more secure. So pretty decent right there. Now, the last thing to talk about is the sound quality. The sound quality is, I want to say weird. I gotta be honest, it's hard to describe. The sound quality here, the bass is fine. The top range sounds a little bit muffled, very slightly though. So the sound quality overall is still okay. It just sounds a little bit, it's not even bad. It just sounds different from other headphones that I use. I got used to it very quickly, and it didn't bother me at all when watching TV shows or listening to podcasts. It was more listening to music that I really noticed that these sound a little bit different. It's really hard for you to hear what it is because, first of all, you're going to be hearing these through my microphone, which is going to be processed through my camera, through Adobe Premiere, and then onto YouTube. So I'm not going to attempt to let you listen to what it sounds like because it's just too difficult. But I'll just suffice it to say that the sound quality here is good enough. It is a little bit strange, but I don't think it'll affect most people. Okay, so what are my thoughts on the Mobvoi earbud gestures? So these here are about $50 US. They're not the cheapest earbuds on the market, but they're also not the most expensive. At $55, it's fairly reasonably priced. Oh, actually, before I go on to talk about price, I want to talk about the gestures. You know, the nodding and the shaking earbud gestures. I disabled them because they got kind of annoying, especially when I was biking. You know, when I'm looking down to look at my phone, it would think I'm saying yes when someone's calling, or when I went over a bump. That kind of shaking actually activated it because, you know, how you nod to accept the call and you shake your head to, you know, reject the call. So I hit a bump when someone called me and it accepted. So no, I just disabled it. It's, in my opinion, it's a gimmick. It's really, you know, I don't care. Okay, Mobvoi earbud gesture, $55 or yeah, $55 US. It's not a bad price, but it is a little bit pricey. I will say that I actually got the Pamu Slide Mini as well, and those were around the same price, I think. And those did not work very well. So for $55, these are a bit pricey. But it does work. If you're gonna get this because of those, you know, head nodding gestures, it's not worth it. Don't get it. It's not worth it for that. But all in all, these are good earbuds, if a bit pricey. So I would recommend you get this on sale from Mobvoi. So check it out in the link down below. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.